If you're interested in collaborating with GNC through their affiliate program, here's a quick guide on how to fill out the collaboration form. So first, you can just Google GNC affiliate program and then click the first link to check all of the details in order to join. So first, if you have a website, you can make money selling GNC products by joining their affiliate program. And then you can sign up with this link here. And then next is to apply to the program. So GNC has partnered with CJ Affiliate by Conversant for their affiliate program. And it says here that if you're already a CJ publisher, search for GNC by name and apply to their program. If not, sign up with CJ first. So basically that's it. After signing with the CJ program, you will receive a lot of collaboration forms you need to fill out. So just follow the prompts and you'll be good. And if you are accepted, you'll receive all the necessary information and tools to start selling GNC products on your site and earning commissions on referred sales.